Welcome back, Audubon. Today is Friday, May 10th, 2013. We are so glad to see everyone back to school again today. We know it's going to be a great day.
Did you know that today is Clean Up Your Room Day? What a great thing to celebrate right before Mother's Day. I encourage all of you to give your mothers the best present ever by cleaning up your rooms today.
As a reminder, our character education word for the month of May is patience. Have you ever been behind an older person who is moving slowly or a person on crutches? Did you get impatient at how long it could take them to get where they were going? Were you tempted to go around them or push past them? Does that show patience? Put yourself in that person's place and think how you would feel. Chances are you wouldn't have saved much time and you could hurt another person's feelings by appearing impatient.
What a great day of testing we had yesterday. Map testing will continue today for kindergarten and first grade. Today is also the third day of Katie Prep testing for 3rd through 5th graders. We want to remind everyone to do your best today. Good luck!
As a reminder, Audubon PTO is providing free breakfast to all students through next Tuesday, May 14th. So come on down to breakfast in the morning and get you something good to eat. A healthy breakfast will start your day off right. Also, we'd like to remind primary students that all books are due back to library today. Intermediate students, your books are due right after testing.
We have 2 Audubon birthdays happening today, and those are Lily in Miss Day's room and Alexis in Miss Plymouth's room. We are also going to continue announcing some of our summer birthdays. Some students celebrating in late June are Skylar in Miss French's room, Jalen in Miss Gordon's room, Javion and Morgan in Miss Meadows' room, Stormy and Ben in Miss Nash's room, William in Miss Flake's room, Kamora and Carly, Jasmine and Camden in Miss Shields' room, Jaden in Miss Millet's room, Cameron in Miss Allen's room, Rachel in Miss Parsons' room, Aaliyah in Miss Day's room, Juliana in Miss Plymouth's room, and Miss Pam Morrison. If you see any of them today, please be sure to wish them a happy birthday.
For lunch, everyone will have 2 choices. Your first choice is pepperoni pizza, and your second choice is cheese pizza. Now we're heading out to Miss Haycraft's room for the pledge. Please stand and say the pledge along with them.
Attention, select pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now let's head back to Miss Haycraft's class where we will sing I Hope to Be a Soaring Eagle. Remember to continue standing and sing along with them.
I hope to be a soaring eagle. That is what I truly want to be. And then I am a soaring eagle. Mr. York will be so proud of me.
For all of your testing this week, we want to remind you that it is your time to soar. Do your best and give 110% on the test today. Make yourself proud. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's up to you to make today a great day. Goodbye.